Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. My name is Alam and in this video I am going to show you how to permanently delete all kind of Google history. I will tell you a very simple way to delete all kind of Google history. After that, no one will be able to recover it. So make sure you watch this whole video, and if you are new on my channel, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. To delete all kind of Google history permanently, the very first thing you have to do is you have to open this Google app. This Google app you can get in every Android phone. In every Android phone, you will get this Google folder. Simply open this folder, then open Google app. Once you have opened this Google app, then go to right top corner and click on your profile picture. If you have logged in more than one Gmail ID in your phone, then first you have to select that Gmail ID which Google history you want to delete. For that, click on this drop down menu, then select that Gmail ID. Once you have selected that Gmail ID, then again go to right top corner and click on your profile picture, and here you will find one option called search history. Simply you have to click on this search history and wait for few seconds. After that, you will get this kind of interface, and here you can see all your history which you have searched on Google. If you want to delete this history, you can delete this history in two ways. Either you can delete one by one. If you want to delete one by one, then simply you have to click on this cross icon and that history will be deleted. And second method is you can delete all history together. If you want to delete all history together, then simply you have to click on this delete button, and then you will find these four options here. So let me first explain you what is the meaning of all these four options. First option is delete today. That means if you want to delete today's history, then you have to go with first option. Second option is delete custom range. Let's suppose you want to delete history from 1st August to 10 August. Then you have to set date range, then click on next and then click on delete button. All history will be deleted from that range. Third option is delete all time. That means if you want to delete all history together, then you have to go with third option. Fourth option is auto delete 3 months. If you go with fourth option, here you can set months, 3 months, 18 months, 16 months, and after that, after 3 months or 6 months, your history will be deleted. So I want to delete all these history together. So I will go with third option, delete all time. Just click on it, then click on delete, and then click on got it. After that, all history will be deleted and no one will be able to recover it. So this is how you can permanently delete all kind of Google history. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.